Somebody saw this video and was like, when are you going to teach us how to edit something like this using Capcut editing application? So I am here to take you to the screen to show you how to achieve it. Let's go. Let's head over to Capcut so that I will show you how I recorded the video, and after that we will commence the editing. Click on Capcut, click on this new project. Once you have it, click, scroll down to where the video is, okay? Once you get there, click on it and click on add button. Then it will take you to this very interface. This is the raw video clip. Then after showing you how I recorded it, we will commence the editing. That is the video. Now let's cut out the unwanted part of it, okay? From where I was walking into the camera, click, highlight the video, then click on split. Click on this end to remove the unwanted part of the video by clicking on delete. Then you take the video forward to where the action stopped, like this, okay? Have the video highlighted by touching this bar, okay? Then click on split and then return to delete to remove the unwanted part of the video. This is the part which we want to work on. Now from that place where you demonstrated like this, where you stoop down or you bend down like this, this is what you will do. Position this very white line. You can see the white line I'm talking about, that vertical white line. It shows where you are working on your video. Come over to freeze. You can see it here. Scroll to the end part of the features. Then you will notice that we have three clips: the action video, the freeze part, and the part of the action video. Having the freeze part highlighted, you can see the white line circling the bar. Then you click on overlay. Then come over to this end, white part of the overlaid video. Click and hold and take it to the beginning of the video. Then come to this end, click and hold and adjust it to that place. Yes, you can see what I did now. Still having the overlaid video highlighted. Now come over to remove background. Click on remove background. Click on custom removal rather. Now we want to remove the background of that overlaid. Click on a brush. Now if you want to auto remove the background, you got to have access to Pro Features, which you need to pay Capcut for you to get it. Now if you need the version of Capcut where you can enjoy the Pro Features free of charge, indicate on the comment section that you are interested, then I will send it to you, but it's going to cost you little token. But if you are paying for it through Capcut, you are going to pay $77, which is huge amount. Okay, now let's continue. Having clicked on this very brush, you see those ones with Pro on top. Before you use it, you will pay. So click on the brush, then reduce the size of it to 1. Okay, this is what you will do. Begin to shade the image. You can see what I'm doing. It will take you time. You just have to calm down. Just remember that this is a tutorial. In your own case, you will go down and do it perfect. All right, the moment you are done shading the image, you come over to this very checkmark button to indicate your action. Let's play the video again before we proceed. Have you seen it now? The next thing which you need to do is to still come over to custom remover. Click on erase button. Have it click like this. Come to the part that you want to remove permanently and shade it like this. Those parts that you want to remove permanently. Let me just say the head and the middle abdomen. Okay, once you are done, you come to this check mark button. Okay, now let's play the video in full so that you understand how it goes. Have you seen it? Wow, that is it. Then after that you just head over to export to have the video exported directly to your gallery. Or there is another way through which you can use that very auto remover. That is how you can maneuver it without paying for it. If you're interested, then indicate on the comment section that you're interested. I will make another video to show you. Don't forget to share this to others. Thank you.